I knew you were coming. It's only with you that I don't make it all the way through.
And you know why that is?
No.
Because you're training.
It's making you work hard.
Yeah.
This morning, we're taking you up into the treetops for a bird's eye view above the rainforest. Yep, our nephew just turned 18 and wanted to do something he'd remember. We could have done a normal birthday lunch, but when you hit 18, you go big. So we ditched the ground entirely to take you across 8 different sections of Mount Tamborine Canyon. We've been told each line has its own personality, and he's determined to hit every single one of them. So let's get clipped in.
Don't look down. I'm going to follow him up, if that's all right.
Sounds good.
I'll bounce him a little bit.
I reckon once he gets up to like most of the way, then you can both go.
I'll try to pick up faster.
Yeah, don't run, because I've got a camera in my hand. You'll get away from me.
Just extend it further.
Yeah. You feel the camera hit you in the back of the head, like this. Slow down. Okay, no, you go.
What?
Oh, he pulled away.
I'm not skipping. Oh my god.
What? Oh, don't jump.
What if I just lean too much?
Yeah. What?
Oh my god.
Oh, when you go off to the side. That's where we've just come across. Our trusty guide. Oh, that's it. Time flies when you're on a zipline.
Do you have anything to say for yourself or Spider?
Alright, break it down.
Yep.
Good and ready.
Good then.
Standing. Alright, all good.
There's nothing quite like the friction of the wire and the blur of the gums as you fly through the trees. It's literally a 360 reminder that the best stories aren't told, they're the ones you live.
He's fallen short.
From the forest floor, it's 70 metres up. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. 70 metres from the about where Blair is
Oh,
now.
what's he doing? Has he fainted?
No, he's just being a goose.
Did you want to take this?
Oh, good, you made it.
On this one or maybe the other one?
Sure, I'll take it.
Do it. This is the one to do it on. You're only 18 once. You'll get a red light. Come on.
Yeah.
So I can get it going for you, and then when you get to the end, that just up and down, and then just.
Alright, it's our turn.
Here we go.
I'll pop this one on your back first.
So how long did you say it was again?
300 metres.
300 metres, and
This is the longest zip line, is it?
you said you're 70 metres high.
Yeah.
And how fast do you go? Do you know?
70 kilometres.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a 70s show.
70, yeah. I wish it was just 370 and then it would just
Yeah,
be
it'll make it
70
easier.
around.
I'm going to do this one-handed,
Sounds
so...
good. Yeah.
So I just-
If you step up onto the box and then I'll show you how to hold it. Right, so yeah, you can have one hand with 2 fingers either side, however. Yep. And then if you do start to sort of go side to side like the other, it's okay. That's just... You will make
There you
it
go,
easier.
my friend.
Alright.
Out in front to take off.
Yeah.
Quick.
Alright. And then to the side like
And
that.
then go right out to the side when you're out wide.
Like that?
Out here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, you're all good to go.
Alright.
Sending, and he is filming the
Oh, that was awesome. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
well done. I got to the end. Get out of the way. He's coming in hot. Like a road.
Thank you. Yeah, like you would be jumping into a pool, I guess. If you just want to have yourself tucked right up. Go. Alright. Did you have your first drink on Tuesday or not yet?
No.
No? Are you planning on?
I don't even drink fruit juice.
There you go.
Let alone soft drink.
Wow. It's not for you, hey? Good and ready. Oh!
Shit. Sorry. Sorry.
No, you're alright, brother. Don't stress. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Sorry.
We've got that for
I
the-
should have waited.
We got that for the bloopers reel.
Right.
Yeah. For the bloopers.
Alright, hang on, bud.
Okay.
Clip the mic.
I'm leaning forward. Okay.
Sending. Alright. Off you go. Coming up. Thank you. Sending. Oh, see down there.
Do you hit the tree with it a bit?
Sure, I thought you did.
If you want to stand on that side facing me, yeah, perfect. I thought I saw something drop, but it must have just been a leaf, and I was like,
Yeah, it
no,
was.
the camera.
Every time I turn around, I see Mitchell doing something completely. He's out there.
They
He's on his bush seat.
probably could have just attached a zip line from there to there. Cooler than that.
We've got a koala.
It's a bear.
A drop bear. There it is. Believe it or not, we've seen it all.
Time to go. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I
Go,
don't
Graham.
go.
It's sending.
And here comes Mitchell.
Final.
He's made it! 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Nice.
This will be a video.
Top down, looking down into the cliff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that'd
so I
be
might have
nice.
it up, because then you'll be able to see
Yeah,
down.
that'd be cool.
See if I don't hit it.
Yeah, like
Can
that.
I step off the edge?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take this one.
Yep.
Ready?
Beautiful.
Alright, you're all good to go. Enjoy. Spending final.
They say go, I need a bag and I need it to go. I hit a spot and I'm ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always on go. Been it before and I act like I know. Been it before and I know how it goes. Straight up, part of my weight, my gain up. I don't need chains, I'm chainless.
Woo, 10 out of 10. It's all part of the protocol, Mitchell. One. I've got to get going before he catches me.
Try and catch you.
They say go, I need a bag and I need it to go. I hit a spot and I'm ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always
Come on, I'm waiting for you.
No.
Oh, that's it. Time flies when you're on a zip line.
ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always on go. Been it before and I act like I know. Been it before and I know how it goes. Straight up, part of my weight, my gain up. I I don't need chains, I'm chainless. Long as my kids stay kicked up, long as my mom stay prayed up. I'll be here forever, I'll be here forever, I'll be here forever. You can do what I